Okay, I'm live now. Starting my clock. Nice and good sound, I think. Hello, it's coming from this. Great. Checking for sure, right? That's need to be done sometimes. Oh, okay. Yeah, for 48 minutes. Now I'm trying to connect myself. So we will close these things. Yeah. Uh, so I'm going to open up the visual again to connect to the server. Server is connecting. Yeah, we are in. Nice, right? Okay, let's. Yeah. Oh, I have to authenticate. Hello. Hello, hi Binod. Nice to meet you after a weekend. Oh yeah, it's a website kit. It's like a event handler. Yep, we got an error here now. It got fixed. Here everything is subscribing. When we go here, we got something. Cannot subscribe to device connected. Why join? Oh, okay. We are using for here, but in that device status, we are using a different thing. Yo, where you are asking from this thing? No, if you are asking from here, from my code, the normalized is a message we get, right? In MQTT, it get comes like, kind of encoded version, kind of like a binary way. So this normalized form will get things like sometimes it will come first letter capital and things. So when we normalize thing, it will be nice afterwards. So R1 directly to the, you know why I am seeing why I can't able to see this offline. I figure it out why is that. So I'm going to check this thing is happening or not. Console.log status db. Okay, we will check this log is happening or not. Undefined. Yeah, I get it why. So we are getting undefined here. So that's a problem of this undefined thing. So why we are getting undefined? So let me check why we get that. So we are getting a thing from API. Mm, So many and here we get so it's different project. So this is our device way of getting slash API slash device. So we don't have to give, we need to give API and the ID. Oh, got it. We need to give a ID, not a device ID, I think. So let's check again. So I will log in first for the token. Okay, okay, we are going to view device not found. Why is that? So let's go. The device is send. It's device ID. I'm confused a little bit because I will not even touch. So let's get this device ID. Use avatar. I'm changing the phone. Yeah, I'm getting it. So we need to pass this value. I'm passing this value. So the API couldn't fetch things. So how can we get it? So in uh, so we are passing just alone things. So what we are going to do is it's its device status, right? In IoT dashboard, we are passing device status is here. We are passing only device status, but also we need to pass another one thing. Uh, we just need to pass device. Then it all would be collapsed. So we need two things. So for sending data for thing, so it's ID. Oh, thank you for the code, man. Thank you for the code. I thought Vinod is there and he will definitely send the code, and you did because I didn't touch the code. This code around 4 days. I completely have forgot because I moved to build that Flutter and you know that, right? Flutter and Java application. So that's a problem. Okay, someone chatted on. Hello, bro. Want to learn web dev, but after watching videos, yeah, initially you feel like that, but instead of watching video and code along with it, choose one project idea and try to build by yourself. You choose some project which it's not in a YouTube, and start to build by yourself. And if you had any syntactical doubt on how to apply that logic and stuff, go use Google. And if you are going to use ChatGPT, use uh, teach me how can I implement in this part of the code in my project, like that. Not ask ChatGPT to code for me. Okay, so if you want to really learn things, so choose one project. That's all. We have a problem. There's a problem for blank page. When you learn a lot of things from the hours and hours of video tutorial and come to open up a new IDE and start from scratch, you will stuck. You got stuck. So it's a process of learning. It's for everyone, not for you alone. So you can do it. So choose one project by yourself. Find your own need, what you need to develop. So use that. Okay. Okay, I have another one thing in my mind. I'll try. I will TID. It's like a dead set device. ID. It's not like that. T. Oh, we need to choose a naming. Naming is so hard. D. let's check. Now we go here, and I hope we can get this like. Let's check we can get it or not. I had an idea of doing this way. Mhm. Constant id equal to props dot device id. Yep, that is a way. I hope it will work. Mhm. Just an idea of getting things. ID. Mhm. Okay, let's check. Oh, still undefined. Oh yeah, still undefined. We need to put underscore. Another one way we use things, right? It's I feel like that was so easy. What is that part? This way. So we use this thing in here. This property. Yeah. Okay, we can give Vinod, I can implement things that you sent now, but I was little confused and collapsed. A lot of things. Java, less Flutter, Dart language is confusing me, kind of. So I'm getting it. It's we have a like it's like a jet lag. When you go to other country and you feel that jet lag, it's same like when you go to other languages and return back to things. If you even you see the answer, you can't able to figure out how these things is working. That like so it's part of my journey when I'm switching between things. No, yo, I will definitely share my how I learn. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's okay, we'll try that you saying something that I have to pass it this way. You are telling me to pass it this way, right? Mm. Kind of this. Why are you making, or you are asking about what? Okay, so I am making a simple at for high motive developing of IoT applications like this. So these are the IoT applications, right? So I don't know if that example is working or not. So yeah, this is that device I think. Yes, but yeah, you can see that this light is on and off, right? Likewise, I'm building application for controlling this kind of IoT applications. Uh, so which had a real good part in these things. Mm-hmm. So we are subscriptions happening good. No, I'm not. I'm from Tamil Nadu, so I did not know Hindi and I didn't learn it. So only I'm using English to communicate, and people you are so good at things and you can communicate with me in English though. Hmm. I think we can't able to pass this way. Why I am getting error? Expected. Oh, okay. So then it won't work. Mhm, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, Adeno. Yep, it's so easy thing. Adeno is the basic thing when we learn things. Ah. Yeah, that's I know Adeno. No worry. I know Adeno. 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 Quick on the yeah. Yeah, you're making a good funny jokes when which program language is used in Arduino. It's actually a embedded C, but embedded Arduino team created the open source project to make write embedded C in a easier way. So they use C++ to create a libraries for that thing. And if you wrote things in C++ and it will compile to embedded, it will compile to the machine code. So they created the libraries for their devices, and it would be nice. Device dot id. Okay, now I will go here, and here I'm going to do one thing. Part is this, so device id and id. I hope, and I definitely will do this. Yep, I think all cleared up, and okay, I'm getting an error. Yeah, simple thing is getting forgotten, man. Can't send this way. Oh, there's no variable called device ID here. We need to pass. Wait a minute. Confusion is happening right here. Oh, I came to understand one thing because it comes under the low level. Wait a sec. Oh, how can I go fast above? So I am getting API. Here I am getting an API. It will set the response data here in devices. Oh, nice. Spelling mistake. Devices. This will do. Device ID. It will kind of confusing a lot, but I need to do the good naming. Mm, again, is it happening any errors? But still, there is no error occurring. Yep, but still, I'm getting undefined. I'm going to fix how why. So embedded system is nothing but man, it's a combination of hardware plus small piece of software within this hardware, and it's specifically used for some specific task, and it can't able to do the computation. It's not computing devices. Embedded systems are basically systems which we use for specific purpose. Like my lamp is here, I use embedded system to turning on and off. Embedded system plus IoT to turn on and off from anywhere in the world. So like that, likewise, it's used. That's the embedded system. So we have a piece of hardware plus small piece of software in it. So it combines together and work a magic. But it's subscribing, right? Then I'm receiving correctly. Subscribing undefined data. So I didn't send the data correctly to do 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 do. What is going on here? Ah, since this code is in your repo, yeah, it is in my rep. No, I didn't push it. I think. Yep, I didn't even push it. So after this only I will push. I think. So I will set it in device. Oh, in device we map things. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. Wait a second. We are mapping it. So we getting a single device. Oh man. So crap. Still subscribing to the undefined. We have to find things, guys. So I hope we need to do this. Just naming confusions. Ah, inventor adopts. Tell me, bro, what is it? Yep, it is getting good, but we will see. Oh, still undefined. What the heck is happening? Console.log on your file on which you are sending and check. Okay, it is sending very great. It going great. I think the problem is in this ID. I think we call this as ID. Oh, sorry, you told me, but I forgot. We need to use underscore. Forgot. Sorry, Bino. No, sometimes it happens. Yeah, we get that. Oh, nice. The offline will came. So, but we are getting in a get error. What is that? Oops, oops, oops. So, could you help me with how? So, if you would like to and join me in a Discord and you know, bro, literally building IoT dashboard for pet project. So, peaceful Quasar. You also building in a IoT dashboard for pet project. Nice, nice, nice. Pet project means what it mean? Pet project. It's a new term for me. Could you elaborate? So, Vinod, if you want to do a pair programming with me, join in the Discord, voice note, and we will do code. You teach me. The text is not great for me though. If you'd like to, problem with that object again. So, how can we take that object? Oh, I got it. So we need to uh, try this way. Dot OID. How was that? It will do a magic. Wait sec. Yep. It will do the magic. It is doing the magic. Let I'm on my hometown and my internet is so sick. Maybe a week later. Nice. It's all about you. If you like to, and we have a voice channel, right? And I had a plan of joining people and do pair programming. Did you hear the term of pair programming means? It's like your own project you're building by yourself, which embedded device you used by away. So embedded device is vast, right? And I mostly use ESP32 because cheap, and it has an internal Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi, so it's also cheaper than other boards. It's a Raspberry Pi Pico W. It is 700, but it's 450. You can buy it around 450. And other than that, and you use 8266. And I recently got to explore STM family, STM32 family, and I use Arduino, but I'm not much. I will use Arduino for learning alone, but Arduino will cause it it doesn't have Wi-Fi internally, and we can't do IoT projects, but you can do it by here, right? So it got fixed, and I'm so happy it got fixed. Nice, nice. So let me check, guys. It is updating a thing or not. Oh, it went offline too. Fixed. So nice. So another one time we are going to do one thing. Play. Oh, its status also get right. Sweet. So let's check and go. Yeah, everything got fixed. I use ESP2. Haha, nice one. Nice one. Very great. But the thing is, buying is I bulk ordered. Not that much of bulk order. I bought 5 boards, but two got burned. When I uploaded the first code, and board was damaged. So I was disappointed at around 700 rupees, 700 to 800 rupees was vanished by the two board. I did not know the electronics products were sometimes this damagey. Yep, we got a working model this way. Nice. So if you are like to join with me and continue talking and wish me join in a Discord, we have a Discord server here, and we are right now growing. People are here and we can chat and do things. If you guys interested, subscribe and see me the journey. And if you want to connect with me, use Discord for message purposes. Okay, nice code. So let's push things. Git add. So git commit. Okay, 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 fix. Fix. What we fixed today? Connections. Fix your QTT service file and connection file status dash. Yeah, my LinkedIn is verified. It not look like verified. I verified my LinkedIn, I think, because I remembered I give a lot of my things to them, like PAN card. Mine is verified. See, mine is verified. Jeromel has verification. So now then what? So it got fixed and things. Hmm, hmm. Let's chat, guys. We have around 4 minutes. So if anybody wants to chat, I push my code to. So what are the properties? Then I would like to add is that next part. So now for now we can get the live data, and we can use a slider for sending some value between 0 to 100, and we can able to adjust things, right? So I need to set things like uh, that kind of preference also, so had in mind. So let's to do things. Let it be here. Let's put it to do. So what we need is make this brightness slider value dynamically set by the user in the device edit. Okay, nice. Yeah, if if you created a your own identity and your photo, and forgot things and created another one. My friend had the same issue, and she also get faced the same issue, and she kind of asked LinkedIn to delete that accounts and may come back it again. Okay, slider is simple, and it just sending data. You can see it's sending a stream of MQTT messages. See, it's a stream of message we are sending. See, so in the device end, we need to manage to get that we are receiving things. When we receive, we need to make a MQTT connection for that and do accordingly. Today I did on small, side that Flutter project which I am doing right now. It is the CSV32, right? It act as a node, and it publish. It had something that in the Wi-Fi it publish. It's act as an access point, and my mobile application is here, right? So my mobile application will I build one application, so I can't show it to you guys. But when it detects, I will show the image. So wait a sec. It's an application which I made. It simply it we don't need to we don't need to click scan now button. It detects for this access point, and I just did it for the capability to understand things. So I am planning to place this stuffs right as a node. See, this is my plan for that project. Keep each thing as a node, and place it in each location. Whenever the staff mobile will detect each one, and it has this ID, right? It has that lab 5 ID. So with that we can verify they are in lab 5 with their name. So by this we can conclude that they are in that location and stuff. So nice. So I kind of trying to pull off within tomorrow or the application part, because the application part is the crucial part, because I have a deadline for a web Wednesday 10 p.m. to submit these things. So I'm working on it. So that's it, guys. So it's been a 1 hour today. Nice live and nice to meet you guys. It feels like loopy now because I showed you the things in live. So far now this is in work, so I'm so happy. Again had so I mainly saw the problem of this much of WebSocket connection for a one app. So I started to fix things and I end up in repeating the same because of I encounter a lot of error. So we need to fix these things. So for DSA, I'm kind of confused because I started learning DSA with Python, and people started to say Python is so simple and some company don't even recommend that to you do that. And I again quit and start doing it with Java, and I feel like I did somewhat good at Java and for a good time, and afterward I had a break for my examination, and I went to learn DSA with PHP. Now I feel like I I did a bad decision, because PHP is not mostly using language nowadays. So I think I will go back to the language of Java or JavaScript or Python. These three languages in my hand, and let me know, guys, which one to choose if you are good at these things. And I'm so happy to welcome your recommendations. So yeah, good night. Good night, buddies. Good night. See you tomorrow live. See you guys.